Konnichiwa. Today I'm gonna explain you passive form of Japanese grammar because a lot of people are asking me how to make passive form, how to use passive form, how to do reru, rareru. And I really understand this is very confusing because we have passive form, causative form, and causative passive form, and potential form. These are very similar and I very understand these are confusing you guys. So in this video, I'm gonna explain only passive form. Okay? I'm gonna explain you when we use passive form and how to make passive form. And at the end, we can do little exercise together. And I hope this will help you. So, 始めましょう. When we use passive form, when someone did something to me and I feel angry about this or I have negative feeling about this. Okay, so let's see this example here. 友達が車を使いました. A friend of mine used my car. This is just a fact. But if I want to say, I am not happy about this, I am mad about this, I can use passive form. 私は友達に車を使われました. I had my car used by a friend of mine, and I am mad. Here, we check how we use particle for passive sentence. In this sentence, victim is I. I had my car used by a friend. So usually, victim in the sentence marked with the particle wa or ga. And bad person in this sentence is friend, my friend, which is tomodachi. And bad person in the sentence usually marked with ni. And the last part, the evil act, is described with the passive form of a verb. So in Japanese language, we use passive form because we want to express negative feeling about this. Here, we can check how to make passive form of the verbs. So we have ru verbs, u verbs, irregular verbs. About ru verbs, 食べる, you drop the ru and add られる. 食べる become 食べられる. And about u verbs, u sound like 行く, 待つ, 読む, 泳ぐ, 買う, u sound became a sound. For example, 行く became 行かれる. 待つ became 待たれる. 読む 読まれる. Very simple. And the irregular verbs, you just need to memorize. 来る became 来られる. する became される. I recommend you to memorize this form very clearly until you can say this form by your heart because we have another similar form a lot. So before you get confused, first you can memorize this form and then you can start to learn another form. So suddenly it's morning, 朝です, but we can do practice together. So 1番田中さんは山田さんを殴りました。殴る is a dictionary form. 殴る it means to punch someone. And 殴る is u verb, so we change 殴られる. This is passive form. So, 山田さんは田中さんに殴られました. 殴られました。I change る to ました because the sentence is past tense. ました。山田さんは田中さんに殴られました。And 山田さん is not happy about this. Okay. So, 2番。山本さんは山田さんをバカにします。バカにします。バカにする is the dictionary form. バカにする it means make fun of someone. So, what we have to change is します。Okay? する to do is the dictionary form of します and する become される。される。Okay. So, 山田さんは山本さんにバカにされます。されます。I change る to ます because the sentence is ます form. Present tense. 山田さんは山本さんにバカにされます。バカにされます。And 山田さん is not happy about this. Okay. So, 3番。お客さんは山田さんに文句を言います。お客さん it means client. 文句 it means complain. 言います to say. So, client complain 山田さん。So, here what we have to change is 言う which means to say 言う and this is a verb, so 言われる This is a passive form. 言われる So, 山田さんはお客さんに文句を言われます。山田さんはお客さんに文句を言われます。I change る to ます because the sentence is ます form, present tense. OK. 4番。泥棒が山田さんの家に入りました。はい。泥棒 it means robber. 泥棒 robber. 泥棒が山田さんの家に入ります。It means to enter. So, 入る is a dictionary form to enter. 入る become 入られる。入られる。入られる。Okay. 山田さんは泥棒に家に入られました。入られました。I change る to ました because the sentence is past tense. ました。入りました。山田さんは泥棒に家に入られました。家に入られました。Okay. 5番。泥棒が山田さんのカバンを盗みました。盗む it means to steal. To steal. Okay. 盗む is a dictionary form and this is a verb, so 盗まれる。盗まれる。Okay. 山田さんは泥棒にカバンを盗まれました。盗まれました。I changed the る to ました because the sentence is past tense. ました。盗みました。Okay? 山田さんは泥棒にカバンを盗まれました。Got story. カバンを盗まれました。Okay. So, 6番、number 6。知らない人が山田さんの足を踏みました。Okay. 知らない人 it means stranger. 知らない人。山田さんの足 is feet を踏みました。踏む it means to step. 踏みました。So someone step on your feet, not your feet. 山田さんの足。feet. Okay. So, 踏む is the dictionary form, which means to step on. 踏む is a verb. So, 踏まれる。踏まれる。そう。山田さんは知らない人に足を踏まれました。Okay. I changed る to ました because the sentence is past tense. 踏みました。踏まれました。山田さんは知らない人に足を踏まれました。I really wanted to film this video, just give you an idea that passive form is not so difficult. Actually, this is easy and simple. And this exercise is very good starting point for you. More you study about this form and the structure, the more you'd recognize this form in the TV show or books or anime or any sort of Japanese sentences. It will help you understand better. So I hope this video would help you a lot. And of course, if you have some questions, please leave me a comment below in this video. And I'm more than happy about this. Thank you so much and see you in the next my video. Bye bye.